Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my garden. This video is a part 2 of the autumn cleanup video where I'll be doing multiple tasks around the garden. And today I'll be cutting back the zinnias and I'll be sowing some Swiss chards for winter, spring harvests. And I'll also be doing a mini harvest of the peppers, eggplant and some cherry tomatoes that I have in my garden. So without further ado, let's start cleaning. So what I'll be cleaning in this garden today, I'll be cleaning all the zinnias, as you can see right here. They are quite blooming, but I just want to remove them. Hence you can see that they are all full of powder mildew, and I wouldn't like them to spread the powder mildew onto the rest of the plants around here. And I'll also be seeding in this container here. I'll be seeding my Swiss chard because I want to have more Swiss chard for the autumn winter season until for the autumn, winter and the spring season. And then after that, the place where I'll be growing the Swiss chard, I'll just switch my Swiss chard with some dahlias come spring. So right here, this is the place where I'll be seeding my Swiss chard. And this pepper here, I'll just remove it because I have another similar pepper right here that I'm trying to turn into a standard or a tree. And underneath the peppers, I've got coriander that's growing down there. So here I'll be seeding my Swiss chard, and once the Swiss chard are enough to get transplanted, then I'll remove them from here to the bigger container where I will grow a bunch of them. And right here, I just wanted to show you how my cucumbers are doing. I am having a little bit of powdery mildew issue going on here, but I think it won't be a big issue to get rid of them. I'll just use a half water, half milk solution to spread the leaves, and yeah, that will take care of the powdery mildew like for quite a while. So, and the other thing that I wanted to address here is that this is the pepper that I've been talking for quite a while in my garden, saying that this is a sweet banana pepper. But according to me, I don't think this is sweet banana pepper. I'm not sure. I don't know what this pepper is. But this pepper is just coming from the green stage straight to the red stage. I don't know what type of pepper this is, but it doesn't look anywhere near to be a sweet banana pepper. And as I was saying, I think I said it in the previous video, that this pepper is quite hot. It's quite hot. And as for sweet banana pepper, I don't think sweet banana peppers are as much hot as this pepper is. So yeah, as you can see here, I have few of the ripened pepper here that I'll be harvesting, and I also have a few of the eggplants here that I'll also be harvesting. Alright, so before cutting the zinnias, or before removing the zinnias from this place, I'll just harvest all the zinnia blooms that I have here, and I'll just utilize them inside my house and just make a very small zinnia bouquet. Some of the zinnias are not strong yet, they're still very tiny, but I'll just harvest everything. And I'll also be doing the same thing as I did for my tomatoes. I won't be uprooting the zinnia plants from the soil. I'll just cut the plants at the base, like on top of the soil, and then I'll just leave the roots to decompose to decompose into the soil and become part of the soil as well. Yeah, this thing is it's hard to get through with the scissors. Oh yeah, okay, I got it. See how much powder mildew I have here? It's a lot of powder mildew. So I don't want this to spread on the rest of the plants that I have around this zinnias. I don't think my scissors is fit for this job. Alright. Okay. One thing that I like about growing zinnias in this container is that the zinnias were kind of signaling me, like in terms of this container, like when this container would be quite dry inside, like I wouldn't know if this container has to be super dry. I wouldn't know like the container is dry, because the irises, when the soil is dry, they don't signalize you like as to, okay, my soil is dry, can you please water me? It doesn't do that. But when the zinnias were inside, I would see the sign that, okay, the soil is dry. Due to the zinnias would be very droopy, and that would just give me a signal that, okay, you need to water this container. So that is one of the reasons why I would prefer to grow again maybe zinnias or other plants that are like zinnias alongside the irises, because that is a good way to know that my irises need water. Before I sow more Swiss chard seeds inside this container, I just wanted to let you know that I still have few more zinnias in the garden right here. But the zinnias are not as badly affected as the ones that I just took care of. The zinnias are still looking great because I sowed the zinnias a little bit later than the time that I sowed the other ones that I just got rid of from my garden. So these ones will be staying in here like for a little bit longer until I get to see, okay, they're quite badly affected with powder mildew, and then I'll take care of them as well. So I still have a few more zinnias in the garden. So coming back to this container, I'll just be sowing some few more Swiss chard seeds to prepare for autumn and winter Swiss chard crop. Alright, so I just cut the pepper from the base here. I don't want to remove the root because I've got few pepper seeds seeded around here, the Marconi red pepper seeds that are seeded around here. I don't know as to how long they're going to take to germinate, but yeah, you see I've got the Marconi red peppers here. So I'll just be adding the Swiss chard seeds in here as just to make this place be like a seedling or a seeding area for the Swiss chard. And once they are ready to be separated or to be transplanted, then I will just remove them and to put them in the other area. And in this container here, I also have this container that I had strawberries. This is my purple pepper. I had strawberries in here, and the strawberries, they look dead, so I'll also be removing the strawberries as well. So once I get to have like some extra income or some extra money to spare for my strawberries, then I'll just buy more strawberry plants and I'll put them in the same container, because this container does grow strawberries quite well for me. But unfortunately these ones seem to maybe have gotten a lot of water, and that's why maybe they are kind of maybe not doing well. So yeah, see, yeah, completely dead. So we only have this pepper in this container. So this pepper has got enough space to grow alone in this container for quite a while until I get more strawberries to put in this container. Alright, so let's go back onto seeding my Swiss chard. I won't be labeling this the Swiss chard in this container because I already know that I have Swiss chard. Same as the other container, I didn't label it because I knew, of course, I had coriander inside. So yeah. I don't want to play with the soil too much because I already know that I have seeded a few of my Marconi red peppers here. I don't know if they're going to germinate or not. I'm just experimenting. Just sprinkle the seeds on top of the soil. Lightly cover the seeds and then press it. Okay, I'm trying to make sure that every bit of seed that I have is a little bit covered with soil so that I can get better germination. I don't need to cover all my seed with soil because basically seeds will germinate even without them being covered. But for me to just try and make sure that I have germination or proper germination, I'll just cover it a little bit so that I don't risk getting a very, very low germination from my seeds, because I would really like to have as much seeds germinating as possible. Because this year or this time of the year, like in this during autumn and winter, I really want like a full raised bed just full of Swiss chard, because I feel like this is the time of the year where we get to grow like cool weather crops, and Swiss chard is one of the cool weather crops, and I would like to have a lot of them. When it comes to summer, late spring throughout summer, Swiss chard do not grow in my garden as much as they grow like during autumn all the way to spring. So this is the better time for me to grow them, and I want to utilize the space in. On top of that, I don't think I'll be growing a lot of cool weather crops in my garden. So yeah, I really want to at least grow something in my garden that has to do with cool weather vegetables. Let me say cool weather vegetables, not crops. Alright, just like that, I'm done sowing my Swiss chard, and the only thing that is left for me to do here is just come and give it a bit of water just to kickstart the germination process. Lastly, I'll just be harvesting these few peppers that I have here. If you have an idea as to what these peppers could be, please tell me in the comment section below, because I don't know what type of peppers these are. I don't think they are sweet banana peppers. I thought they were sweet banana peppers, but they don't look like sweet banana peppers because they're not turning yellow at all. They're not turning yellow. So I'll be harvesting both the red ones and the ones that are kind of blushed. Both of them, I'll be harvesting them. Alright, and this here I'll be harvesting these 2 eggplants. Currently these are the only 2 eggplants I have on this plant, but I have few more buds forming around the plant, like right here. I've got a bud, and then right here I've got new growth. So it seems like I'll be getting more eggplants like very soon. Not very soon, but it seems like I'll be getting more eggplants from this plant. And to just give you an update, right here in the garden here, I've got my Kentucky Wonder Pole beans pushing through the soil right here. I don't know if you can see there, and then right there, everywhere basically they are pushing through the soil. And got more here, and then also got more right here. Alright guys, so this is my harvest for today. Just a bit of eggplant, some peppers, and these are the chocolate cherry tomatoes, and a few of the zinnias. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the upcoming video where I'll be harvesting my sweet potatoes, because I have few of the sweet potatoes that are forming underneath right here. So yeah, stay tuned for that discovery sweet potato harvest. Alright guys, so that's just I have for the garden today. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your everyday support. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you could be notified whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching. Assalamu alaikum, and I will see you in the next one. Bye everyone.